In this daily drop, I'm going to be taking the two Ulanzi Garage Kits and putting them into practical use over in the tabletop setup. So let's go. All right, it's another day, and as a follow-up to yesterday's episode, and if you haven't seen that, go check it out. I want to take these two Ulanzi, yes, they are called Garage Kits. I still don't understand why they're called Garage Kits. Maybe they're supposed to be called garbage kits, but they're not garbage. They're fun and they're inexpensive, and I'm having a good time using them. So, what I wanted to do was take these color tunable lights and put them into a tabletop situation. And what you're looking at is a wide shot of the basic setup. Pretty straightforward. We've got Bruce on one side, we've got the other actor, no name, not famous. Let's just call her Kathy, in the frame as well. And I've got the TV in the background to basically play as a set. I'm just feeding an image to it from the MacBook Pro. And you can see that frame left, I have one of the Ulanzi lights set up. Both of these are set to about 6,000, 6,500 Kelvin. And the camera, the Fuji camera, is set to daylight. And that's basically it. They're dialed down to about 20% output. And one of the things that you'll see on Kathy's side, so the frame left side, is that the key light there, because this is kind of a standard cross key configuration that you would see maybe for an interview where each light is doing two jobs. It's creating separation and also keying the subject matter. But the key for basically Bruce, which is coming from Kathy's side, is being blocked by her a little bit. It's more in line with her and her eye line with Bruce. And then if we go to the reverse, you'll see that the key light is actually basically clean. It's not being blocked by Bruce. It's a little bit more camera side, and that's so that we get more beauty lighting for Kathy, and it's more even. And then for Bruce, we've got a little bit of something there to give him a little bit more shape, and that's just the way I decided to do it today. So you can see here's a slightly wider frame of that, and then here's a slightly tighter frame of that two shot. And just having fun with these things right here, and that's kind of what it's all about. And learning as I go along, as you go along. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.